Welcome to my YouTube channel, Code with Risky. In today's video, I'm going to show you some practical example of while loop in JavaScript. We will go step by step from printing number to building FizzBuzz. So grab your laptop, open your console, let's get started. Alright, first start let's print number from 1 to 10,000. Let first make a variable and equal to 10,000. Let start equal to 1 while let's make a condition while my start lesser than equal to and then print value of my start and then start equal to start plus 1. From now on we are not going to use this. We will just going to use our increment operator star plus plus. I hope you remember what is increment operator from previous video. Does not matter if you write this or write this, both meaning are same. So let's see if it is working or not. As you can see, number has been print from 1 to 10k. So this is why we use loops. It helps us to do repetitive tasks. So our first example was printing number from 1 to 10k. So let me comment this. Let's move on our second example. Let's see. First make a variable net start equal to 1 net and equal to 1000. Now while loop, let's make a condition. While n greater than equal to start, then print and then and minus minus. As you can see, this loop already printed number in reverse. I hope you understand how it is working. I'm using decrement operator here. I'm using variables name here instead of giving them value and make a condition. So if we write variables name here, so we can change the value here. Like if I write here, so how it gonna work? Enter starting number. I want to start from 20. Okay, and ending number 40. So as you can see, it's started from 40 and ending on 20. So that's why I'm using variable name here. So I can change the value by given user data. I hope you understand. Let's move on our next example. So let's see our third example, print odd number from 1 to 49. So there are two ways to print odd numbers from 1 to 99. Let me make a variable first. Let ending equal to 49. Let starting equal to 1 while starting lesser than equal to ending, then print starting and then start equal to start plus 2. So let's see if it is working or not. So as you can see, it is working. So let's try to understand when the first time loop will check the condition. So condition will be true and it will be to our start value will be 1 and in this line we are adding it by 2. So 1 plus 2 will be 3 and storing in start. Second time loop will start running. So value will be 3 and it will condition true and here it will print 3 and after this line we are adding 2 in 3, so it will be 5 and when loop will start in third time it will print 5 because condition is true. Because condition is true and our start value is 5. After that it will add 2 inside 5. So when the loop start for fourth time, so our value will be 7. So this is how it will work until the condition will be false. I hope you understand how it is working. It was first way to do this. Let's see second way. Let start equal to 1, let n equal to 49. So let's make our condition first. While condition start lesser than equal to and we are using if statement here. if star modulo 2 not equal 0, start, and after if statement do start plus plus. Let's see if it is working or not. So what is happening here? Let's try to understand. So first it will check the condition. Condition is true. And I'm using if statement in it. And what my if statement says, it says if star modulo 2 not equal 0, then print start. If this condition is true, then start will print. And after this condition will be true, after this code will run, will come out here. And I'm here using increment operator. I'm just adding start by 1. So it will check from 1. When this condition will be true, it will come here, and 1 plus 1 will be 2. It will check second time. So second time this condition will be true, but if condition will be false, so it will not print. So our 2 plus 1 will be 3. This condition will be also true, then it will print 3. After running this code, it will come here. Then 3 plus 1 will be 4. This condition will be true. This condition will be false. Then 4 plus 1 will be 5. It will come here, so on. So on, loop will run infinitely until the condition will become false. I hope you understand how it is working. So let's move on our another example. So let's try to understand FizzBuzz, what it is. It is very useful example to understand how loop works. Because in this example, we are not only going to use while loop, we are also going to use if-else ladder here. So it will make it little harder to understand. Let's start. So our first question is, what is FizzBuzz? If our number divisible by 3, it means it's fizz, F-I-Z-Z. But when the number divisible by 5, it's buzz. If number divisible by 3 and 5, both, it's called FizzBuzz. Let's try to make it. Let n equal to 15. Let start equal to 1. Let's make a condition. While condition. Start is lesser and equal to, and also now we are going to use if-else ladder here. If-else it. First we will make a condition to check if it is FizzBuzz. So make a condition for that. Else if, else if, else log. First, let's see it is working or not. So this is working. Let's try to understand how it is working. First, it will check the condition. If this condition will be true, it will start run. In and my both condition should to be true, then the code will run. And also check start module 5 tuple equal to 0. Then this is called FizzBuzz. Start module 3 tuple equal to 0. So print fizz. Start module 5 tuple equal to 0, print buzz. Else console.log start. What is start? Why I am printing start? Because if my all condition there is no match for FizzBuzz, that print the number as it is. So when the code will run second time though, then my value will be 2. When the code will run 3 times, so value will be 3. So on. I hope you understand how it is working. What if I change my variable value here 15 to 150? Let's check. So now we can see lots of FizzBuzz also. 3 FizzBuzz and 15 is FizzBuzz because it comes in both tables in 5 and 3. I hope you understand how it is working. So let's move on our next example. So how it will work? Let's build a simple star pattern. This loop append star to a string 7 times, then print 6. How it will work? Let start equal to 1, then let and equal to 7, then let star equal to empty variable. This variable is empty. Let's make a condition while start is lesser than equal to, then what to do star equal to star plus string star. After that, do start plus plus. First, let's see if it is working and not. And then call star also star. Console 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 star is printing. How it is working? Let's try to understand what I did. First, I make a 3 variables start, ending, and star. In star, my variable is empty. There is nothing. Then I'm checking the condition. If this condition is true, what do? I'm just adding star in my star variable. Star is 0. Right now, star is empty and this is my empty string. So my empty string plus star will be, it's written like empty star plus I am adding star in it. So this is how it is written here. I hope you're understanding. First condition will check if it is true, what to do. Add star in my empty star variable. So it will return like this. This is my empty variable plus star and add both of them in my star variable. So, and then start plus 1. So, when first time code will run, it will just add 1 star in it. And then start plus 1 will start the loop again. Then condition will start checking again. Then it will check and will be 2. Second time when loop will run, and will be 2 and end 7. Condition will be true and second time it will just add another star in it. So second time when loop will run, so it will end again 1 star in it. As long as the condition will not going to be false, star will going to be print. So until condition will be false. So it is printing the 7 star here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope you understand how it is working. We can change variable also. Like if I change star into subscribe, so it will print subscribe 7 times. Hashtag, hashtag. So I hope you understand how it is working. And that's it. I hope you learned something new today. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to Code with Risky for more beginner-friendly JavaScript tutorials.